Missouri is a state rich with aviation history dating back to one of the very first balloon flights of 1859. But recently, if you're an owner of one of the 5,121 aircraft registered in the state of Missouri, getting aircraft insurance has been either expensive or unavailable. So what exactly is the story with aircraft insurance in Missouri? Insuring flying things like airplanes is incredibly difficult, much more difficult than insuring cars in my opinion, not just because there are different risk factors for flying machines, but because there are so many different makes and models of aircraft, so many different levels of pilot experience, and so many different flying situations from seaplanes to off-airport landings to turboprops and jets. And on top of that, there are only 15 companies that actually insure airplanes versus hundreds of car insurance companies. No doubt this is a very small niche industry. Everything was going great for the state of Missouri until 2018, when the Missouri Department of Commerce and Insurance found discrepancies with how insurance companies were classifying risks, more specifically private and personal versus commercial insurance policies, and changed the law to better differentiate between personal and commercial. In the world of aviation insurance, most policies for personal use are written as pleasure and business, which means your personal use and your personal business use. For example, you want to fly your plane to lunch to visit a customer of your business. When the Missouri DCI changed the law to separate this, it meant that aviation insurance companies would have to refile rates for every single make and model aircraft and change how they differentiate between pleasure and business, and thus many aviation insurance companies pulled out of writing all business in the state of Missouri. When you only have 15 companies writing aviation insurance, of course this caused chaos with aircraft owners, and many were left unable to find an insurance policy or very few options with a lot higher rates. After years of back and forth and even a white paper written by AOPA in the spring of 2022 instructing the state of Missouri on how to fix these laws, relief finally came. On July 5th, 2023, Missouri's Governor Mike Parton finally signed Insurance Bill SB 101, which addressed these issues and expanded aircraft insurance policy options throughout the state. This is incredible news, and aviation insurance companies have slowly been opening up to writing business back in the state of Missouri. And by the end of 2023, we should be almost back to pre-2018 market capacity. For aircraft owners in the state, this means more aviation insurance options, more competition, which will be helpful for anyone looking to protect their aircraft with a good insurance policy. I want to thank you all for watching this video, and as a free bonus, I'm going to include a full list of every aviation insurance company that's currently writing business in the state of Missouri in the description of this video. Thank you for trusting BWI, and fly safe.